Cooking is a feeling and everybody can cook. But the difference is in Casey Kitchen, we cook with a feeling. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to Casey Kitchen. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. Please don't stop. What do we have today? We have chicken. Cut the chicken, and after cutting the chicken, go ahead and add 2 tablespoonfuls of olive oil on the pot. Well, you might be wondering, I said 2 tablespoonfuls, but I did not measure. I did not measure. That is true. 2 tablespoonfuls. I don't really use the precision method of measuring, but I use the estimation method. Well, it is olive oil. You can use more, a little bit more, but not so much. When the oil is hot, go ahead and add in the chicken and let it sear. The aim is to brown the chicken. Add pepper and then salt. A bit of salt and a bit of pepper, not so much. The next thing is the bacon. Go ahead and sprinkle a bit of bacon and let it sear together. Let the bacon release its aroma, its juices, its oil into the chicken. The next is the garlic. Because it is a French recipe, I'm not going to chop the garlic as the usual way as I have always been cooking. I am just going to crush it a bit and then just use it the way it is. Go ahead and cut the mushrooms. You can use any mushrooms that you have at hand. It doesn't really need to be the bio mushrooms. It can be just any normal mushrooms. There are different types of mushrooms, but just use anything that you have at hand. The garlic, we are just going to dump it the way they are without cutting into pieces, which makes the recipe exceptionally different. Introduce in the mushrooms and shake a little bit. Let the meat brown like the way you are seeing. Sorry, the chicken. A bit of olive, a few leaves of bay leaf will add a difference. A mixture of the rosemary and the thyme will add in its special sweet and savory tastes, aromas. Sear everything together and enjoy the aroma that is covering the kitchen. Hello, that's how it looks like. Do not forget the cognac. The flames over the pieces of chicken and everything else create that exceptional experience. The next is the chicken fond. I am using the chicken fond. I'm using about 250 ml of the chicken fond. Or the chicken stew. It's all the same. That sauce is just about it. That is just enough to cook the chicken through. Let the chicken cook for about 25 minutes without covering. That is just it about this recipe. The recipe is very small, exceptional and tasty. What are we waiting for? The chicken is thoroughly cooked and the flavors are just amazing. Go ahead and dish out your chicken plus some sauce. The sauce is just enough the way you can see, and the aroma is just on point. If you cannot try this recipe, then what else can you try? It's very simple yet delicious recipe. I served it alongside the rice and then some peas, some French beans, sorry. So if you've enjoyed till the end of this video, please subscribe and share.